Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today we'll be discussing about Shah Jahan. Please go through whatever has been given in my previous slides. Jahangir have been discussed. Shah Jahan were ruled between 1628 to 1658 for the period of 30 years, as you can see. So he was one of the famous monument, that is Taj Mahal, built by Shah Jahan. Initially, we can directly go through the Moti Masjid in Agra was built during the reign of Shah Jahan. As you can see how exactly the Moti Masjid looks like. The construction of Lal Killa was given the credit to Shah Jahan. The Red Fort, which is located in Delhi, which was constructed by Shah Jahan itself. The historian monument in Delhi is a synthesis of Persian and Indian style of architecture, that is Humayun's tomb, which is constructed by Akbar, one of the historian monuments in Delhi. As you can see, the golden era during the time of Shah Jahan, Shah Alam, or the engineer king. We should remember that Shah Jahan is also known as Shah Alam as well as the engineer king. It was a golden era during the time of Mughal Empire. So you remember that the engineer is given because of the construction of Taj Mahal with a 6,000 workers. As you can see, the Mughal Emperor Jahangir gave the title English Khan to William Hawkins. So you should remember that the Mughal Emperor Jahangir gave the title as English Khan to William Hawkins. As you can see how exactly it has been given. The real name of Shah Jahan was Khurram, which means happiness. He was born to Jodhabai, that is daughter of Raja Jagat Singh. We can directly remember that Jodha Akbar, which is remembered, and he was born for the Jodhabai, that is Khurram. Shah Jahan ascended the throne in 1628 after his father's Jahangir's death. So he had taken the throne in 1628 and became the king after his father's death, that is Jahangir's death. I request you guys to check playlist where you will find 800 plus question papers for various examinations that can be shared for your friends. 3 years after his succession, his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal, as you can see, Mumtaz Begum was died, and actual name was her name Arzumand Bano. She was died in 1631. To perpetuate her memory, he built the Taj Mahal at Agra in 1632 to 1653. He had constructed the great Taj Mahal. It has taken the very long time to construct. As you can see how exactly it looks with the white marbles and one of the finest structures and seven wonders of the world. He continued applying tika, that is on the forehead. So he had given the permission to apply the tika, that is tilak. He introduced the char taslim in the court. So you have to remember that he has also introduced that char taslim in the court. As you can see, foreign travelers traveled during his time. Besides Jahangir's empire, Nizam Shahi's dynasty of Ahmadnagar was brought under Mughals control by Shah Jahan. So please remember this. In 1633, Jahangir's empire, Nizam Shahi's dynasty of Ahmadnagar was brought under control by the Jahangir. So this was done by Shah Jahan. So this, as you can see how exactly it has taken over by the Shah Jahan in 1633, that Ahmadnagar. Shah Jahan's reign is described by French traveler Bernier, the French traveler Bernier and Tavernier, and the Italian traveler Niccoli Manucci. So you have to remember who are the travelers who have visited during the time of Shah Jahan. That is French traveler Bernier and Tavernier, and the Italian traveler Niccoli Manucci had come. Peter Mundi describes the famine that occurred during Shah Jahan's time. During his time, one famine has occurred that has been described by Peter Mundi. So please remember that whatever has been given, the foreign travelers have to be remembered. Diwan-e-Khas in Red Fort, Jama Masjid and Taj Mahal were constructed by Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan's falling health set off the war of succession among his four sons, Dara Sikho, Roshnara, Jahanara. In 1657, they were fought among themselves. Aurangzeb emerged the victor, who crowned himself in July 1658. After the among those fight between those sons, the Aurangzeb has emerged and made himself as a king in 1658. As you can see, what exactly have been built by Shah Jahan. The monuments he gave to India: Taj Mahal, Red Fort, Jama Masjid. So these are the which are Moti Masjid, which are the important one who which have constructed in Lahore. Wazir Khan Masjid have been built by Shah Jahan. These are the important monuments built by Shah Jahan. As you can see, Shah Jahan won over the Portuguese from Hooghly River in 1629 to 30. He had won over the Portuguese also. Shah Jahan occupied the Golconda and Bijapur, and it had the tax have been collected from these places, that is from Golconda and Bijapur. Shah Jahan built Shahjahanabad in Delhi from 1638 to 1648. Shah Jahan had ordered to make the peacock throne. As you can see to the right side of this, how exactly the peacock throne looks like. It has been constructed during the time of Shah Jahan. He looted the Kohinoor diamond from the Golconda Sultan Abdullah Qatul Shah. So Qutub Shah, this is one of the important thing. The Kohinoor diamond, which is now located in the Queen's Taj, that is it's Queen's Elizabeth crown, it is located. That Kohinoor diamond has been collected from the Golconda Sultan, that is Abdullah Qutub Shah. So please remember the peacock throne as well as the Kohinoor diamond have during the time of Shah Jahan it was exist. As you can see, the tomb of Shah Jahan. The Shah Jahan was imprisoned by the son Aurangzeb in the Agra fort, where he died in captivity in 1666. It's one of the worst situation for the Shah Jahans. He was died in the Agra fort itself. He was captivated by his own son Aurangzeb. So this is one of the important questions. Which ruler, which Mughal emperor was captivated by his son? That is Shah Jahan was captivated by his son Aurangzeb. The Shah Jahan was buried at Taj, at Agra, and the Sikh Guru fought during the time of Shah Jahan. That is Guru Gobind Singh was fought during the time of Shah Jahan, who is the founder of Sikh. Shah Jahan also written Shah Jahan Nama, that is biography written by Inayat Khan. You have to remember Shah Jahan Nama was written by Inayat Khan. It's a lifetime. His story has been written by Inayat Khan. The Tavernier Manuki, he was visited during the time of Shah Jahan. Tavernier from France and Manuki from Italy have visited during the time of Shah Jahan. These are the few things which I have compiled from various sources. I hope this will help you a lot. If you have any questions, you can call me on 766730, and PDF of 2100 is given. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.